You won't believe what just happened to Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange. The founder and CEO, CZ, just stepped down and paid a chunk of $4 billion to settle with the US government. This is one of the largest corporate penalties in US history. The US government accused Binance of breaking the law and cheating its customers. They said that Binance was using fake software to manipulate the prices and volumes of the trades. They said that Binance had shaken down over $300 million from its customers. The US government sued Binance and CZ and froze their assets. They demanded that Binance stop its operations and pay a huge fine. CZ tried to fight back, saying that Binance was not doing anything wrong and that the US government had no authority over them, but CZ eventually gave up and agreed to settle with the US government. He stepped down as CEO of Binance and pleaded guilty to the charges. He also agreed to let the US government monitor Binance's business for 5 years. CZ said that he made mistakes and that he had to take responsibilities best for the crypto community, for Binance, and for himself. He said that he would remain a shareholder and a consultant for Binance and that he would support the new CEO, Richard Teng. So, what do you think? Do you think this will affect the crypto market or not? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and share this video if you find it interesting. Follow for more updates.